Get your fucking hands off me!
Let's do this!
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Hold My Nugget Studios once again for another Power Slap Bonanza. Still not sure how this is sanctioned as a sport, but let's get ready for some concussions.
Shutting down.
It's over, ladies and gentlemen!
Good God, he got slapped into the Third Reich.
What did he say?
Oh, fucking do it again.
Okay, they must have came into this slap fight with bad blood. Look at the face on this man. He got no remorse, and his opponent refuses to take defeat. He got slapped so hard his cheek nearly went into his mouth. Damn, they got it on the homicide camera and the suicide camera.
Chris Benoit!
You can find this same kind of action on Raid Shadow Legends.
And now a word from our sponsors.
Wait a minute. I want you to picture the scene. You just got yourself a brand new phone and you're looking for the best mobile game to play. Introducing Raid Shadow Legends. They've got awesome visuals, loads of powerful champions, challenging PvE bosses, and tactical PvP content. But wait! There's more! Raid's 4th anniversary is here and there's a ton to get excited about. I'm talking dedicated offers, free gifts, promo codes, events, and a brand new fusion event where you guys can get your hands on an anniversary-themed legendary champion. You'll also be able to take a trip down memory lane and recap a video of your stats in Raid. Keep in mind, for Amazon Prime members who just got Genbo, keep an eye out for the next drop with some powerful Savage gear. It's available from March 2nd until March 30th. To celebrate Raid's 4th anniversary, pick 4 champions that you would invite to a dinner party. I don't know about you, but I can't wait to crash the party. Sitting at my table is going to be Brackus, Helmut, Turvold, and Robar. I can't wait to crash the party. For new players, use my link or scan this QR code right here and get a free starter pack with this cool in-game loot. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in my description and download Raid Shadow Legends today for free. Let them know I sent you.
And now a word from our sponsors.
Just look at his eyes as he falls into the gulag. This brother is not on this planet. He got slapped so hard his necklace nearly relinquished itself to his opponent. Where's Dexter when you need him? Call forensics. Chalk that brother up. He slapped his hairline off. Your head and cheek hurts. I wonder why that is. His zygomatic bone gotta be cracked. There's no way. Look at Buddy's face. File a police report. You're a victim.
As you can see, I am not dead! Fuck the law!
Wait a minute. Was this dude about to interfere? What is going on?
Let me interfere, you stupid bastards!
Well, shit.
Victory is mine!
I guess the bald guy didn't want to wait.
Bruce?
Oh yeah!
Foul! Foul!
That's a violation for a foul. That brother must be straight out of a fraternity the way he was stepping.
Payback's a bitch.
He's still alive?
These dudes gotta have bad blood. Why they looking at each other like that? They're here to kiss or kill. There's no in between. He slapped that brother so hard, Dana White had to immediately make a donation to the NAACP.
It's my turn!
Now dance!
Dance, puppets, dance!
Foul! Foul!
Last time it was stepping, this time it's clubbing. What kind of dance hall violations is this man into?
Fuck you!
My brain.
Sit the fuck down.
Are you okay?
Mans took the L but can't even take it gracefully. Why he steadily want to fight like he ain't just get slapped into another dimension? He threw up the 5 like Booker T in his prime.
Sit the fuck down.
This is categorized as a hate crime in 22 states. He slapped the black off that man.
What happened?
Slap the black off him.
Is this the black?
All we could find.
So much for brotherly love.
And now, the Kumite.
What's a kumite?
The Kumite?
Did you say kumite?
Uh-huh. The Kumite.
He almost slapped a ponytail off his head.
To the left, to the left, to the left, to the left!
Brain damage ever since the day I was born.
Had his body looking limp like a test dummy for government weapon. You can't convince me this man did not second guess his decision to be here in this moment. Look at the suicide cam. Slap the soul out that man. He was rushing so far to his left, he gonna be voting Democrat by default. Crazy enough, that's not even the worst one. Look at his hand, young jock. It's going down.
Oh, shit.
Stay down!
You little bastard.
That's the epitome of power slap right there. He nearly hit the skull through the skin, but he nearly sucked his own dick on his dismount into the gulag.
Jesus Christ.
Homicide Cam got that boy looking crazy. You came on this show to feed your family. Now they gotta get fed off the scraps of your life insurance. He's gonna need immediate medical attention. Somebody please call a goddamn EMT.
Finish him!
Snake, are you okay? Snake? Snake!
You got knocked the fuck out! That nigga is done!
Welcome to your first day in the afterlife.
You mean to tell me you watched the entire video but you haven't subscribed? Hit the subscribe button and become a member on Patreon or on YouTube to get access to the Discord. We're waiting for you in the Shadow Realm.
Do it! Just do it! Make your dreams come true!
Please! Please!
What are you waiting for, huh? Oh my god.